Assalamualaikum class 9th. Hopefully you all will be great. And yesterday I have discussed active and passive voice. I have discussed all tenses and their rules. I told you to remember the helping verb of all passive voice sentences. So I have written active voice and change these active voice into passive voice as an example, and then I have given you home task. It's your own work you have to do. You have to see the chart I have made and remember the helping verb of all the tenses which change into passive voice. 8 tenses change into passive voice, so you have to remember helping verb of all the tenses and then try to remember the rules how we change active voice into passive voice. Today date is 12/8/2020. It's my 31st lecture and day is Wednesday. Exercise: put into the passive voice. So active voice is written and I have changed active voice into passive voice. First sentence: I am reading the Holy Quran. So the Holy Quran is being read by me. Is am reading is present. Continuous tense, so we write is being, am being, are being, and third form of verb. Remember it, we always write third form of verb in all the passive voice sentences. The Holy Quran is being, I write the Holy Quran is because it's singular. I write is being read by me. He has not bought a dozen eggs today. So a dozen eggs have not been brought by him today. Has is written has not, so here eggs are plural. I write have not been. In present perfect tense we have helping verb has been and have been, so I write have not been. It's negative, I make negative sentence. Do you take a bath in the morning? It's interrogative sentence and it's present indefinite tense. I write is. The helping verb of present indefinite tense is am, so I write is a bath taken by you in the morning, and I also write interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is always into interrogative sentence. We don't change the sentence, we just change helping verb according to the rule and the form of verb according to the rule. She does not tell a lie. A lie is not told by her. Are they laughing at us? Are we being laughed by them? See, are is written and I write being. Are we being? Us change into we. Are we being laughed by? They change into them. And it's a question, I write a question. I change this sentence into passive voice and the question change into question. If negative sentence is there, you write negative sentence. Now home task. I have given you 10 sentences. I just read it. I have bought these socks. So it's past indefinite tense. Second form of verb is written. You write was and were here. Sorry, have bought is perfect tense. Present perfect tense. You write has or haven't, has been, have been as helping verb. The piano is ringing the bell. You write is being, am being, are being in this sentence. The dog is eating bones. So is eating is here, so you write is being, am being, are being. I bought a ticket is past indefinite tense. You write was and were in this sentence as helping verb. Was he selling this car, that car? So was is written here. You write was being, were being, because it's past continuous tense and the helping verb of past continuous tense is was being and were being. She had not boiled rice. You write had been here as helping verb. Did you knock at the door? You write was and were is past indefinite tense, and if we have second form of verb or did, you write was. You write was you knock at the door. Was the door knocked by you? Were they not eating sweets? You write was not and were not in this sentence. The police is arresting bad people. So you write is being, am being, are being in this sentence. The snake charmer has caught that snake. So you write has been or have been in this sentence. I hope you will try to write this home task to your own and just show it to me. If you have done, give me an image so that I can guide you that you are doing correctly or incorrectly. Just see the chart I have made for you. Just see the helping verb of the tense and then change the passive voice according to the rule. It's your home task. That's it. Allah Hafiz.